Welcome to this creative journey, where we transform a simple photo into a stylized piece of digital art using Adobe Fresco. Today, I'll show you how I used a photo of a cute bird vase as inspiration for this painting. But you can apply this technique to just about any photo you choose. We start by importing the original photo into Adobe Fresco. It's always helpful to work with a reference image for proportions, lighting, and of course color inspiration. The first step is to sketch the outlines. Using a light brush, I trace the shapes of the bird vase, simplifying the details while keeping the essence of its charm. This creates the framework for the stylized art. Next, it's time to bring in the colors. I chose a palette inspired by the photo itself, pulling rich tones and textures directly from the original image. This step ensures the art stays true to its source, while giving me room to add a personal creative touch. With Fresco's live brushes, I layer colors and textures to make the painting come to life. The watercolor and oil brushes are perfect for adding depth and blending, giving the piece a painterly handcrafted feel. Finally, I refine the details, soft shadows, bold highlights, and those little finishing touches that make the art pop. By simplifying the background and focusing on the bird vase, the stylized painting feels clean and intentional. And here it is, the finished artwork. A simple photo transformed into a vibrant piece of digital art, ready to be shared or printed. Thank you for watching. Whether you're working on your own stylized project, or just here for inspiration, I hope this video sparks your creativity. Don't forget, this technique works with any photo, so grab your favorite image and start creating. Like, comment, and subscribe for more digital art tips and tutorials. See you next time.